you've been to Brooklyn, you know where I'm at. Everybody know where I'm at. And for better or worse, this is BK. I keep seeing online there's a new chicken sandwich in town. So I had to brave the elements, brave the ghetto, and come out here and see what it's all about. Can I have the ranch and lemonade? Has it been busier since the chicken sandwich come out? In case you didn't hear him, he says, yes, it's busier than normal. And I can see that. I've eaten here maybe 3 times in the past, and each time I had maybe half-hour stays, and I never had to deal with any other traffic in this dining room besides myself. But as you can see, there's DoorDash people, Uber Eats people. Everyone is here to pick up this sandwich. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. Got it. So you know I had to hop on a trend. One thing I noticed about Wingstop, there's no music in the lobby. It makes it a dream for YouTubers to record content. So come make these Wingstop videos. So the combo meal comes with your fries, your drink, and the piece de resistance, the chicken sandwich. And I have here the hot honey rub. So I want to keep it pretty simple. So it's definitely not the big honking piece of chicken like you get at Popeyes, but hopefully the flavor makes up for that. So we got fries and ranch. Can't go wrong. Ranch, fries, classic combo. Here we go. It's time to taste this sandwich for the very first time. The bun is toasted, which I definitely like. You can see there's a little extra sauce down in the bottom, so it shouldn't be a dry sandwich. If we're gonna do it, let's do it right. Yeah. Let me dip it in the ranch. Not like a big old fresh breast like the Popeye chicken sandwich. It's like maybe half the size, and also it's kind of reminding me of something you would buy frozen and stick into the oven, like school lunch chicken sandwich. I wouldn't say this is in my top 3 chicken sandwiches of all chicken sandwiches places. I would put the Burger King chicken above this one actually, but yeah, Popeye still reigns supreme. So Wingstop, it was nice, but I don't think I'll get it again. Now if someone bought me one, I'll definitely eat it, but would I come back and purchase it? I don't think so. Now I'm not somebody who fight anyone to help their ignorance. However, that cunt, the chubby cunt that was over my shoulder during my video, I heard him use the N-word more than I ever heard in my entire life. He said nigga this, nigga that for like a half hour. I didn't even realize it until I was almost done. Like, it's crazy. He's in Brooklyn. This is Bushwick. I don't care if you like a hipster or whatever you think you are. You think you're cool or some shit, but that's just not, it's not what's up. I feel like we've come too far as a society to be running around using the N-word, especially when your ass ain't black. But whatever. Now y'all feeling spicy. Let me show you what I really think of that Wingstop chicken sandwich. Hello. Can I have a spicy chicken sandwich and a plain chicken sandwich? Yeah, it wasn't worth it. I can wait to go home and have this for dinner. Secure the bag.